You promised me that you'd sell top financial stocks, so why are you still holding shares? The stock soared 450% on Friday's session, but is now down over 70%. In fact, these outside gains appear to be due to the low float nature of the stock with 9.28% short interest. Let's take a look at the actual chart. It's down 75.83% from Friday's session with $200 million in selling volume. This is serious. Almost 10% short interest on 5 million float. Guys, I warned you to sell HUBC at the top. I saved you 65% in trading losses. I warned you to sell TRKA. I saved you 90% in trading losses. I warned you about WISA, and I saved you another 50% in trading losses. Guys, you know the deal. I'm here to help you make money. CDLX. Do you remember CDLX, my friend? Because CDLX is now up to $8.86. That is 75% gains on our stock. You have made over 75% if you bought when I first showed you. Okay, we called out CDLX at $5. You can check it out in this video published 3 weeks ago. And now the stock is at $8.86, meaning that you make 75% profits safely, consistently, just like a real stock investor. That's what I want to do for you, is turn you into a real stock investor. How long have you gambled in the stock market? Are you ready to make that money back? That's what I want to know, my friend. Are you ready to make your money back? In the Pro Discord group, I called out two stocks, JZ and SNTG. SNTG went to the moon, $9.57 after we called it out. Not every trader is able to trade these stocks perfectly, but even if you get just a small slice of the pie, half of 300% is still 150% return. But you need to be in the Pro Discord. You can join the Pro Discord for free. Okay, if you lost money on top, if you lost money on TRKA, you need the coaching that we have for you. You need someone there, right? What would happen if you did have someone that told you to sell TRKA at the top? What would happen if you had someone telling you how likely you were to lose money on HUBC? That's why I want to help you. That's why I need you to click the link in the description, because not only will it not cost you anything, you'll actually get to restore your own confidence in your ability to trade, which means that you'll go from where you are right now to a trader who actually believes in himself or herself. And that makes me very happy. Let's look at the charts now. But boom, SNTG up as promised from $3 to $9.63. That's a sweet little 300% return there. It's only in the Pro Discord that you'll get callouts like that. Let's take a look at Top Financial. So Top Financial Group, which is right here, this thing definitely had its time, but that time is coming to an end, my friend. That time is coming to an end. I see TOP stock doing one more bounce before it dies for good. Now, what can we expect in terms of the next few trading days for TOP? We can expect that bounce to happen, okay? I don't know exactly when TOP will bounce, but it's highly likely that TOP will rally to either $70, $85, or even as high as $95, okay? 70, 80, and 95. Remember those three numbers, because that's where you can get an exit on TOP if you bought for more than $100, because there's a lot of traders here who are losing money on TOP. They bought TOP at $150, $180, $200, and TOP right now is just not at that price anymore. The stock is downtrending, which means the stock is going down, 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 and a lot of traders are waiting for the stock to go back up. Don't be a bag holder. Don't be like the people who bought HUBC and refuse to sell it because they don't watch this channel. Okay, and if you like this video and you like all of the information I'm giving you, please like it, because you're helping traders just like yourself make money in the stock market, and that is invaluable. The stock TOP went from $6 to $260, but now it's all the way back down to $46.70. That's actually where we can expect to get a bounce on TOP if we get one. So TOP can either bounce at $46 or $40. We need TOP to break above $50 if we're going to get that bounce. Okay, once TOP breaks 50 bucks, that's when we can get that bounce on TOP again, okay? And this can actually happen as soon as tomorrow on May 2nd on Tuesday. So watch for this bounce to happen. We can expect it to bounce to 70, 85, maybe $95. And if the stock really takes off, it can come all the way back up to 143. I would be careful about holding the stock higher than 150. I definitely wouldn't hold TOP higher than 150. TOP is not a call out. I am not buying TOP stock. I'm just letting you know, if you own shares of TOP stock, you may get a relief rally soon, a small dead cat bounce, if you will, where the stock rallies one more time because all of the buyers who bought in think that the stock will go back up to $260. It will not go up to $260, at least not likely, but TOP may come back up to about $100 in the near future. So watch for that bounce and get out safely. If you are looking for high quality stocks that can actually rally, stocks like CDLX, which we called out on this channel. You can actually see that on the Pro Discord, almost every single trade that we take turns to gold. CLSK called out at $4, went to $5, 25% profits. PTPI went up almost 100% after we called it out on April 18th. PRST almost doubled, 80% increase. SNTG up 300% after we called it out on May 1st. Given how often we win trades, you can see why so many traders need the Pro Discord to make money. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. If you are not part of the Pro Discord, you need to listen up. If you fill out the application in the description, and I may be removing this soon, you can apply for a free pro trial. You can actually join my trading group and I will train you until you are a profitable trader. Think about that for a second. I take 100% of the risk. You pay nothing. I don't even ask for your credit card info. The second you are in that group, I'm going to do everything in my power to ensure that you become a profitable trader. And if you want to trade with my team long term, you're going to have that opportunity as well. Thank you for joining me in this trading session. My name is Coach Coda, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?